Thereafter, the debt meeting then took place on the 17th of November when he brought his father, where the statement was then taken from Umsolwa.
No, ukuthi yena waqala weza lapha ehhovisi lika National Commission la esazama khona ukuthi sithole uba kwakhe kodwa sakhulumisana kaningana ngetelephone sizama ukuthi sithole uba kwakhe ngathi kuma sengilahlekelwe inamba asengikhuluma no General Shabani and kwaqala sikwalungiswa umhlangano kamhla ku November 2019 lapho ke sakhuluma khona no Brigadier Peron emhlangano kwaba nomhlangano olandelayo futhi kwaba nowesithathu umhlangano owenziwa ke ngomhla ka-17 lapho ke kwenziwa khona ngalesi statement.
In all of your communication, engagement, consultation, interview with Constable Zungu regarding this case, you did not take down any statements from him. Is that correct?
Ukuba ukukhulumisana kwakho nokukhulumisana kwakho mayelana nalolu daba awuzange statement again.
Which part? Because if you look at the statement that Advocate Umsolwa referred me to, it was commissioned by me, so I'm not so sure. So to say no statement was taken, the statement was taken from Constable Zungu on the 31st of May 2023.
The statement is athatha ku Constable Zungu. Ngoba ungabe isebenzisa le statement lesi, this statement commissioned by me.
I mean, Colonel, before this date, this statement was taken last year. I am saying, but you started communicating with this witness from 2019, and my question is, from that time and on all occasions wherein you interviewed this witness, did you take down the statement from this witness? Before 11 May 2023, because the trial had already started, I think by then.
I think 11 May 2023.
Yes or no, Brigadier? Just simple as that.
My Lord, I think I dealt with this part and I said no because I did not see the relevance of it. He was telling me about his father. When you say yes, he was not there. I couldn't see the relevance of it, and I dealt with this part. I think when I was under cross-examination by Advocate Umsolwa was finished.
Yeah, when you say calm, go back and then you go and look at the system and go back. Why should I? When I said I'm going to say, why is it as it's really so? You say when you attack,
then what led you to only obtain the statement on the 31st of May 2023 from Constable Zungu?
It was when he decided to willingly and freely give the statement. As I indicated, through the investigation, his name came up. I was not aware that he was there. But as we were investigating and obtaining a statement from uGwabini, his name was being mentioned, that he was there. And I started engaging him to that regard. And then he said, you come and see me. But it was clear, my Lord, and I dealt with it that he was scared. But eventually he said, look, I was afraid, but then I will tell you the truth. And that's what gave rise to the statement that was obtained on the 31st of May 2023.
No, which I just got to say, the statement, or you guys, you was but again, therefore, the started a secret of uGwabini, and also, that is a full statement. I am not a full statement, but I should be an way
Brigadier, I want to put it to you that the reason why you did not obtain the statement regarding the occurrence or regarding the circumstances under which the offense was committed in this case, as it has been testified or narrated by Constable Zungu, that information was so crucial. You were supposed to obtain a statement immediately when you received that information. And the reason why you did not take the statement is because Constable Zungu never gave you that information before 19 May 2023.
This is actually so good to get
I'm not sure what's it made up with the prior to this matter. I've explained the series of events. When I started focusing on Zungu, because after the investigation is revealed that he was in the statement. That statement was given by different witnesses. And every time it came out, then I would engage. Then he would say, I'll come and see whether he was there, same matter, that he was escaped. Then subsequently, then it came forth, and then the statement was given prior to the weapon. This is testified. The only picture of this National Commission for the information is 5 6 violations. That is why we prefer to move around with balance information, which led to the ratification of the Cabinet management.
There's a cousin that would go to saqala ukuthi sikhulumisane naye kathi esemlethile ukuphoyisa wakithi ngoba baningi and lokwazi ukuthi sigcine sikhuluma naye ukuthi babaningi ofakazi abaveza igama lakhe and wathi-ke emva kwaloko kwenza-ke lapha kwa-national commission wathi-ke azokhulumisana.
If we can proceed from where we have stopped, on the same page, page 4 of Constable Zongo's statement, paragraph 5. I think we're going to start now at line number 11. He said it was not the same firearm. You see that line? Paragraph 5, line number 11. Yes, he said it was not the firearm.
It was not the same firearm. It's reason for this one. He said it was not the same firearm, but the firearm belonged to mine. I
Yes.
then gave him back the firearm. I asked that for him to give me my firearm. He reached for my bag and gave it to me. I took it and checked it, removed the magazine, and counted my bullets, and found that they were still the same as I left them. I was thinking he did not take my firearm and use it somewhere. I also smelled it, but I could not pick up anything. I was concerned if they took my firearm and use it to use because I had knowledge that they are bigger photographers and photographers. I was shouting and told them if they had done something, surely they would to one day. I put my firearm on my body, my figure walked out of the bedroom. He was descending my visa and Carlos walked into the bedroom and sat in the bed. But then he asked me to give them space as he wanted to discuss something with the guys. That is Carlos, my visa and music and time. I then took my bag, walked out and sat on the lounge and noticed my figure changed from leg to the top. He was wearing into a grey top.
Okay.
I asked him to give me one top as he seemed to get money booty tops. My figure walked back to Gwabini's bedroom to join the others. I did not follow him or them what they discussed.
Okay, thank you. My question to you.
Akusona leso sibhamu kodwa lesikolo sibhamu sikankani ngase nginika ngasimubisela isibhamu ngase ngibuza uGwabini ukuthi isibhamu sami wayeseke esibhamini sami and wasenginika sona ngase ngiyasibheka ngasihlola ngakhipha imagazini ngabala iy'nhlamvu ngase ngitshala ukuthi no zonke iy'nhlamvu zikhona njengoba zazinjalo ngase ngiqhubeka ukusihlola ngathatha isibhamu sami ngase ngihlola ukuthi isibhamu sami abazange basithathe basisebenzisa kwenye indawo ngase ngiyasinuka leso sibhamu kodwa ngizange ngizwe lutho into engihlupha-ke nje ukuthi-ke bangabenza ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe bethathe isibhamu sami bebulala abantu ngoba ngangingazi ukuthi bona bayikhaya ngase-ke ngiyathethisa ngabatshela ukuthi uma kukhona into abayenzile izovela ngelinye ilanga ngase ngithatha isibhamu ngasibeka emzimbeni wami umafika waphuma-ke lapha ebhidini lokulala uthozeni mabhisa noCarlos umthobisi Ncube bangena kulelo gumbi bahlala embhedeni uGwabini wayesengibuza wasengitshela ukuthi ngibadedele ngoba bakhona abe befuna ukuxoxa nalaba balisa la uCarlos mabhisa nomuzi nokhaya ngithatha isikhwama sami ngiyaphuma lapho ngase ngiyohlalela ngabona umafika shintsha-ke ibuti le emnyama ayigqokile wayesegqoka egrey ngase ngamcela ukuthi akanginike enye ibuti ngoba bonala sengathi unamabuti amaningi umafika wasebuyela egubini lokulala likaGwabini ukuthi ayoba nalaba abanye angizange ngimlandele noma ukuzwa ukuthi yini le ababeyikhuluma.
My question to you, Brigadier, was that after receiving this information, especially the reference to the exchange of firearms by the people who are referred to here, in front of the police officer, which is Constable Zongo, did you ask Constable Zongo if he reported this incident to the police because he had witnessed the unlawful activity? At that time, when he was in Masutu Hostel, he saw the suspects exchanging the firearms, and he was a police officer at that time. Did you ask him if he reported this matter to the police?
Yes, we did, my lord, and he said he did report it, and that matter was also discussed with the state, and he was looking into this matter once this matter is trying to finalize. It was at that point, at that stage, when the statement was given, the matter was already processed, and it was submitted.
Engifisa ukwazi ukuthi-ke emva kokuthi-ke nizwile ukuthi-ke uZungu wabona abantu benikana iy'bhamu eyiphoyisa yena kwabika lokho yini emaphoyiseni bathi yebo sabheka lokho sakhuluma nomshushisi kodwa-ke sathatha isinqumo sokuthi-ke nanoma yena engazange abike emaphoyiseni kodwa lokho-ke sizobheka emuva kwaleli cala maseqede ukuqhuba ngoba ngaleso sikhathi sikuzwa lokho lalesi icala lasiqhubeka.
No, Colonel, I meant to ask the reliability of his evidence. As a police officer, did you ask him to say, at that time, in 2018, when you witnessed the people exchanging the firearms unlawfully, did you report the matter to the police? Did you ask him that?
That's not what I said, my lord.
Oh.
I didn't ask him for the, it's 2014 actually. But I said that I didn't ask him the answer was no. And he said, we did discussion with the state of the state. We will deal with it after this matter is finalized because this information came to us while this matter was already processed.
Yebo ngizolo kuphendula ukuthi-ke ukuthi waziphosa yini lokhu yebo kodwa isathola ukuthi yebo kodwa isathatha isinqumo sokuthi angeke siqhubeke nalokhu ngoba icala sathola lo lwazi emva kokuthi icala liqala ukuqhubeka so-ke sasingeke sikwazi ukuthi sibheke lokhu icala lisaqhubeka sathi sobona icala laseliphelile.
Well, when you asked Constable Zongo about this incident, about the failure to report to the police station, this incident, what did he say? Did he respond? Was there any response?
My lord, this answer that I just gave, that he said he didn't defend it. He reported it.
Did he give you any reason?
He said it was statement of the same reason that he gave for not coming forward with this information. Because he knows that they are related, they come from the same problem. He was scared because of the reason that he had this.
Accused number 5 will tell the court that Zongo was never scared of reporting this unlawful activity. It's because Nkani never exchanged any firearm with Gwabini. It never happened. That is why he did not even report it to the police.
So let's start with the task. I'm going to go over the question. Yeah, where that you need to make a sound, I'm glad about it.
My lord, it's clear the statement that he used the abuse the statement. And so for me, when he says a statement, I'm also sure who was organized for then there's a kind of scale of that basic victim. And that is my view.
Accused number 5 will also deny that he ever gave a 9mm firearm to Gwabini.
Well, the statement says otherwise. That's already the statement of
Okay. Let's move on now to paragraph 9. You remember on Friday, I referred to you to the meeting of Constable Zongo with Warrant Officer Makubu and Colonel Buthelezi.
Yes, I do recall.
Okay. Okay. According to you, how did the events unfold? Did you see first Constable Zongo, or Constable Zongo met firstly with Makubu and Colonel Buthelezi before meeting you, if you can recall, or should you go to the statement?
No, I said, my lord, if I have to look at the sequence of events,
Yes.
Constable Zongo will see the first. Now it's the officer of the Judicial Commissioner, then you will see the That's how I say, I'm basing that on the fact that if you follow the sequence of events, the 12th of November 2018, we get appointed Makubu to features on the SPAM, prior to that, none of us would see it, 5 6 investments, and it was then I meet November, or that's 8 years. Then early 2019, then I met the subject. So my suspicion, my Lord, is that the issue of the is a part of something who will take place after I met me in 2019 around between my first meeting was and the second meeting that took place in between them.
Usabheka ukulandelana kwezinto uZungu waqala wahlangana nami ngomhla 12 November 2018 sinake sanhloswa-ke umsebenzi ukukhangela leli cala manje umhla 2019 uZungu-ke esekhuluma nami ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi-ke wakwazi ukuthi-ke mhlawumbe phakathi kwalezi zikhathi abe ekhulume nomakhulu ngokuthelisa.
Okay.
My suspicion is that it will take place between these two periods, because in between, because I was not part of this meeting, so I'm only calculating to what I'm told that between these two periods, possibly it will take place.
Yilo engicabangayo mina ukuthi ngabe kwenzeka njalo ukuthi-ke babe behlangane izinto lezi phakathi kwalezi iy'khathi ezimbili.
Okay. Let's see. Let me. Are you the one who obtained the statement from Constable Zone?
I commissioned it. They didn't take a book, as I said, someone was typing. He knows so that he was commissioned.
No, you didn't ask commissioner this statement.
Okay. Can I take you through a few paragraphs? We're not going to read them because the statement was already read into the record. Okay. Paragraph 2 refers to the introduction of the witness. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. Paragraph 3 refers to as to how the incident unfolded on the 26th of October 2014.
Yes, I don't understand.
Well, paragraph 2 went through like the police statement, paragraph 3
Paragraph 4 and 5, it's still narrating as to how the incident unfolded on the 26th of October 2014.
Paragraph 4 and 5,
Paragraph 6 as well.
Paragraph 6,
up to paragraph 7.
Paragraph
Or maybe if you want time to read the statement, I can ask for the short adjournment so that you go through it, because I'm summarizing since I've read them.
No, it's fine.
It's fine.
There's no need there. We can just get
Okay. So do you confirm that from the beginning it's still the narration of how the incident unfolded up to paragraph 7?
Yeah, but my Lord, you see, I'm not the problem. This is the difficulty. When someone's only the one that tell you how to package the sequence of events. Even now, I think I'm better with him. If now I must interpret what he was trying to say, which part of it confess. This statement.
Right, this is the stuff about we are not white about the spare agriculture. What's an idea? My cousin,
no, Brigadier, I'm not asking you to interpret. I'm just confirming the lines as they are. As they are, to say, here, this is when he's narrating the sequence of events. I'm not saying interpret, I'm just saying from the reading as it is, to confirm that that's what is contained on this paragraph 1.
But I can confirm that this
Okay.
paragraph is narrating the events of origin.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Now let's start from paragraph 8, because it's now after the narration of the incidents. Paragraph 8, can you read it for the record?
On Tuesday, 2014, 28, I saw an article on one of the newspapers. I was listened to me. I also noticed that the sketch of one of the suspects fitted at the section of Ephika, wanika, and what he was wearing was the top, and that he and the other suspect, examples, of Carlos Shaka. I started suspicious for the fact that that is a way of carrying firearms and fitted the description of the suspects mentioned, and also that Ephika open bracket for money dancing, close bracket was already on top, and then heard in the news that one of the suspects was arrested. I would remove my suspicion, and I didn't do any follow up. I later heard in the media that the suspect who was arrested was actually not from the suspect who was released. I then had the interest to know who was the arrested guy, and saw this photo on the social media platform. I then realized that the suspect that was arrested was not the correct suspect. Yes, I did not see him mingling as a
28 ku-October 2014 ngabona endabeni ukubulawa kwasenzombili. Ngabona-ke nakulo mdwebo lo owenziwe ngabasolwa ukuthi wahambelana kakhulu noMafika uBongani Ntanzi, nokuthi-ke wayegqoke ingubo emnyama, and that nokuthi-ke abanye abasolwa babene-dreadlock afana nakaCarlos Gaza. Ngase-ke ngiqala-ke ukusola ngoba babephethe isbhamu, futhi-ke babefana nalokhu bachazwa lapha emaphephandabeni ukuthi ukuthi uMafika oBongani Ntanzi wayegqoke ingubo emnyama. Ngase ngizwa-ke emaphephandabeni ukuthi khona umsolwa oboshiwe. Ngase-ke mina-ke yebo uqhubeka nokubasola, futhi angizange ngikulandelele futhi. Emva kwalokho-ke ngase ngizwa futhi la kuma-media bekhuluma ukuthi umsolwa lo wayeboshiwe kwakungena umsolwa okuyena, futhi-ke wakhuluma. Ngase ngizwa-ke ngase ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi ubani lo wayeboshiwe. Ngase ngibona isithombe-ke kuma-social media, ngase ngiyabona ukuthi lo msolwa lona wayeboshiwe kwakungena umuntu owayefuneka, ngoba ngangambonanga futhi ehambisana noma ehlangana noCarlos uMapisa noMthokozisi noMuzi noMafika ngomhla 26 October 2020.
In your part of investigation, Brigadier, did you come across with this article that is referred to here at any time?
My lord, I don't. So information is whether it's finally developed, no, but there are a lot of articles that we published from 2014. This is a but the one that is referring to President a specific date, a specific one, we didn't have the processation as to what happened. But I do know them are even covered in our info notes, a lot of newspaper articles that we published from 2014.
I think the word about my